Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add an existing account on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC, following the new update. If you're looking to switch between accounts seamlessly or manage multiple profiles, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. That's the new home for all things X, so just type it in the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in if you're not already logged in. After that, look over to the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see your username or profile picture. Click on that to open a small menu. In the menu, you'll see an option that says Add an existing account. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new screen where you'll be prompted to enter the username of the account you want to add. Type in your username carefully, then hit Next. X will now ask you for the password linked to that account. Enter it, and once you're ready, click on Log In. That's it. You're now added to that account, and you can switch between your accounts easily without needing to log in and out repeatedly. Remember, this process works for multiple accounts, so you can add as many accounts as you need. It's super handy if you manage more than one profile for personal, business, or other purposes. I hope this guide helped you add your existing account quickly. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on X and other social media tips. See you in the next one.